Hi, I'm Dr. Craig Schlenoff, and I'm one of your teachers for the Building of Manufacturing Robot Software System course. I've been working in the robotics field for over 20 years. Currently, I work at the National Institute of Standards and Technology, where I'm the Associate Program Manager for the robotics program, and I lead two robotics projects. One's focused on robot agility, and one focused on artificial intelligence for robotics. I'm also the Associate Vice President for Standardization within the IEEE Robotics and Automation Society.
Hello, my name is Ed Kudbali. I am a Senior Research Associate at the University of Southern California. I am also a guest researcher at NIST. My field of interests include robotics, of course, mainly task planning, knowledge representation, and control systems.
So this course is based upon the ARIAC competition. ARIAC stands for Agile Robotics for Industrial Automation Competition. It's a simulation-based international competition whose goal it is to improve the agility of robot systems. It's also a prize competition where first prize is $10,000. In this course, you'll be learning how to develop control systems to get robots to be more agile. By more agile, we're referring to the ability of the robot to quickly plan and replan on its own, as well as recover from task failures without the need for human intervention. We're going to be teaching you the skills in order to build this control system and be focusing on topics such as ROS, the robot operating system, Move It, which is a mechanism to move the robot around in the simulated environment, task planning, performance metrics, artificial intelligence, knowledge representation, and robot architectures.
In this course, you will learn or improve important skills that are needed in the field of industrial robotics. First of all, with the hands-on approach that we designed for the course, you will greatly improve your C++ programming skills. You will also improve your ROS knowledge, specifically for industrial robots. Next, you will better understand challenges in industry, and you will learn different techniques and approaches to solve these challenges. Finally, you will learn all the tools needed to participate in future ARIAC events, where the winner will receive a prize of $10,000 US.
So this is a very exciting class. You'll be solving real-world industrial robot challenges, and I hope you consider this as you move forward in your robotics education.